Do you know scorpions are among the oldest and most mysterious creatures on earth? These fascinating arachnids have existed for more than 400 million years, surviving through massive environmental changes, dinosaur extinction events, and climate shifts. Many people fear scorpions because of their painful stings and dangerous reputation. But today, these small creatures are attracting global scientific and commercial interest. Surprisingly, scorpion farming is becoming a growing business in different parts of the world. But why are people farming such dangerous animals? What makes scorpions so valuable? And how did scorpion venom become one of the most expensive liquid in the world? To understand this business, we first need to understand scorpions themselves. Scorpions belong to class Arachnida, the same group that includes spiders and ticks. There are more than 2,500 known species of scorpions around the world. They are found mainly in deserts, forests, grasslands, and tropical regions. Some species are harmless, while others possess venom powerful enough to seriously affect humans. Scorpions are mainly nocturnal animals, meaning they become active at night. During the daytime, they hide under rocks, inside burrows, or beneath tree bark to escape heat and predators. Their bodies are especially adapted for survival in harsh environments. They can survive long periods without food or water and are highly resistant to extreme conditions. The main reason scorpion farming is becoming a profitable industry is venom. Scorpion venom contains a complex mixture of proteins, peptides, and toxins. Scientists discovered that some of these compounds have important medicinal and scientific applications. This discovery transformed scorpions from feared desert creatures into valuable biological resources. One of the most important uses of scorpion venom is in medical research. Certain compounds in venom are being studied for potential treatments of diseases such as cancer, arthritis, autoimmune disorders, bacterial infections, and neurological conditions. Researchers found that some venom peptides can target specific cells in the human body with remarkable precision. A famous example is chlorotoxin, a compound found in the venom of death stalker scorpion. The stalker is one of the world's most venomous scorpions. Scientists discovered that chlorotoxin may help identify and target brain tumor cells. Researchers are exploring ways to use this compound in cancer diagnosis and treatment. Scorpion venom is also important in neuroscience research. Venom compounds affect nerve cells and ion channels, helping scientists better understand how the nervous system works. This research may contribute to the future treatment for neurological disorders and chronic pain conditions. Another reason scorpion venom is expensive is the difficulty of collection. Unlike snake venom production, scorpion produce only a tiny amount of venom at a time. Milking a scorpion requires special trainings, equipments, and safety procedures. Workers carefully stimulate the scorpion electrically or manually to collect a very small droplet of venom. Thousands of scorpions may be needed to produce a significant amount of venom. Because venom production is slow and labor intensive, prices become extremely high. Some reports claim purified scorpion venom can cost thousands or even millions of dollars per liter, depending on the species, purity, and research demand. This high market value has encouraged the growth of scorpion farming business in countries such as China, Iran, Mexico, and part of the Africa. In China, scorpion farming has existed for many years not only for the venom collection but also for the traditional medicine. Because venom production is slow and labor intensive, prices become extremely high. Some reports claim purified scorpion venom can cost thousands or even millions of dollars per liter, depending on the species, purity, and research demand. This high market value has encouraged the growth of scorpion farming business in countries such as China, Iran, Mexico, and parts of Africa. In China, scorpion farming has existed for many years, not only for venom collection but also for traditional medicine. In some traditional practices, dried scorpions are used in herbal remedies. Chinese farms may keep thousands of scorpions in controlled environments designed to mimic natural habitats. Iran has also gained international attention for scorpion farming projects. The country's dry climate supports several venomous species suitable for venom extraction. Media reports about millions-dollar venom attracted public curiosity and investment interest. However, experts caution that industry is more complex and risky than many sensational headlines suggest. Scorpion farming is not an easy business. Farmers require knowledge of animal behavior, environmental conditions, safety measures, and venom handling procedures. Scorpions are sensitive to temperature, humidity, and housing conditions. Poor management can lead to disease, cannibalism, stress, and high mortality rates. Cannibalism is one of the biggest challenges in scorpion farming. Many scorpion species may attack and eat each other if overcrowded or stressed. Farmers therefore need carefully designed enclosures and proper feeding system. Live insects such as crickets, cockroaches, and mealworms are commonly used as a food. Safety is another major concern. Venomous scorpions can be dangerous, especially for children, elderly individuals, or people with allergies. Farmers and handlers must use protective equipment and follow strict safety protocols. Antivenom availability is also important in the areas where dangerous species are formed. Interestingly, not all scorpion species are equally valuable. Some species produce venom with more medically useful compounds than others. This means species identification and scientific classifications are very important in the industry. Researchers continue studying different species to discover new bioactive molecules. The global biotechnology industry is partly driving interest in venom research. Scientists increasingly explore natural compounds from animals, plants, and microbes for new medicines. Venomous animals such as snakes, spiders, cone snails, and scorpions contain chemicals evolved over millions of years for hunting and defense. These chemicals can sometimes become useful tool in medicine. Scorpion farming also raises ethical and environmental concerns. In some regions, wild scorpions are collected excessively for commercial purposes. Our harvesting may threaten local populations and disturb ecosystem. Scorpions play important ecological role by controlling insect populations and serving as a prey for other animals. Sustainable farming practices are therefore extremely important. Responsible farming reduces pressure on wild population and allow control breeding under monitored conditions. Governments and wildlife authorities may regulate the collection and trade of venomous species to prevent illegal wildlife exploitation. Public fascination with scorpions also contribute to the business. Many people are curious about dangerous animals, exotic species, and rare creatures. Some scorpions are even sold in the exotic pet trade. However, keeping venomous animals as pets require experience and should not be encouraged casually due to safety risk. Another surprising use of scorpion is in education and scientific training. Universities and research laboratories study scorpions to understand evolution, venom biology, and animal behavior, and also ecology. Scorpions are remarkable survivors, and their biology provides important scientific insights. Climate and geography strongly influence scorpions' diversity. Desert regions often have high scorpion population because these animals are adapted to dry environments. Countries in the Middle East, North Africa, South of Asia, and Latin America contain many important scorpion species. In Pakistan, several scorpion species are found in dry and semi arid regions. Rural communities sometimes encounter scorpions near homes, farms, or rocky areas. Public awareness about avoiding sting and keeping medical treatment is important, especially during warmer months when scorpions become more active. Scorpions also play a role in biodiversity and ecosystem balance. Although feared, they help control insect populations and contribute to food webs. Understanding their ecological importance encourages more balanced attitudes toward these animals instead of pure fear. Modern scorpion farms may use advanced technology such as climate control chambers, breeding programs, and laboratory quality venom extraction systems. Biotechnology companies sometimes collaborate with researchers and farms to study venom compounds more efficiently. Despite media hype, experts warn that scorpion farming is not a guaranteed path to easy wealth. Starting such farms require investment, training, licenses, research, partnership, and long-term planning. Many exaggerated online claims about instant profits are misleading. Success in this industry depends heavily on scientific expertise and proper management. The future of scorpion farming may become more connected with the pharmaceutical research. As scientists discover more medically valuable compounds, demands for high quality venom may continue growing. Advances in biotechnology may also allow synthetic production of some venom compounds in laboratories, potentially changing the industry in future. Some researchers are even studying whether scorpion venom compounds can help fight antibiotic resistant bacteria. With antibiotic resistance becoming a global health challenge, natural compounds from venomous animals may become increasingly important for medical innovation. Scorpions remind us that nature often contains unexpected resources. Creatures once feared purely as a dangerous pest are now helping scientists explore treatments for serious diseases. This transformation shows how scientific research can completely change our understanding of wildlife. At the same time, it is important to balance business interest with ethics, conservation, and safety. Wildlife should not be exploited irresponsibly for profit. Sustainable practices, scientific regulations, and biodiversity conservation must remain priorities as industries involving venomous animals continue developing. Scorpion farming is therefore much more than a strange business trend. It represents the intersection of science, medicine, biotechnology, ecology, and economics. Tiny drops of venom from these ancient arachnids may contribute to the future medical breakthroughs that save human lives. The next time you hear about scorpions, you may think not only about fear and danger, but also about the science, medicine, and the surprising ways nature contribute to the human progress. These mysterious creatures, hidden under rocks and active in the darkness of deserts, may hold secrets that could shape the future of medicine and biotechnology. For more videos related to science and science facts, do not forget to like and subscribe our channel ZooSphere. Do you know